So if you look back at any of the videos on this channel, you're going to notice that they all have one thing in common, and that is going to be a watch. More specifically, it is the C3 Solar Tactical Watch from Vaer. Now, I gotta be honest, I was never really a watch guy before I got this one from Vaer about a year ago. But since then, it's become my most essential piece of everyday carry. I really don't leave the house without it. And that's why I'm so excited to be sharing a brand new watch with you today from Vaer, one that's a little bit of a step up from my previous watch, and one you're probably going to see in many of my videos to come. This is the D4 Meridian Green USA Solar 38mm watch, and these are going to be 10 reasons why I'm super excited to be adding it to my everyday carry. So first things first, a watch has to look good or it's not worth wearing. It can have all the features in the world, but if it doesn't look good, it's just not going on my wrist. I like the design of most Vaer watches, but the D4 has this beautiful simplicity that really speaks to me and my personal style. I also love that this watch was made to pay homage to military dive watches, taking cues from Rolex and Doxa military divers from the 1970s, as well as the military issue Omega Seamaster. So another thing I really like about the design of the D4 is the ability to dress it up or down depending on what you're wearing that day. And one way to do that is by changing the strap. Every Vaer watch comes with 2 quick change straps, so if you're wearing your watch to work, throw on the Jubilee steel bracelet for instance for a more formal look, or if you're just hanging out and going to the beach, attach the dive strap for a more laid back feel. I gotta be honest here, little inconveniences like having to change a battery has deterred me from wearing a watch in the past. I know, it seems like a pretty easy thing to do, but I'm kind of just lazy when it comes to that stuff. So I'm really happy that the D4 is a solar powered watch because I never have to worry about changing a battery. And just 6 hours of sunlight is going to give me 6 months of power reserve, which is pretty incredible. Apparently, the watch can also run off of any light source, even candlelight. Right now, it's summertime in Chicago, which means pretty much every weekend, my wife, daughter, and I are going out to the beach on the lake or a local swimming pool. You gotta enjoy it because the brutal winter will be back before you know it. So this is a feature I really love about the D4. It's completely waterproof up to 660 feet. This is great because I don't have to worry about taking it off and losing it when I just want to go out for a quick swim. My daughter is 11 months old now, which means she's super curious about everything and also wanting to destroy every nice thing that I own. So this is another really important feature for me, scratch resistance. The D4 uses premium sapphire crystal to protect the dial, which is actually the second hardest material after diamond. Dad wins this round. This one isn't really make or break for me when it comes to buying a watch, but it's kind of just a cool little bonus. It glows in the dark. It's also just the right amount of brightness, so when you're in a movie theater or at a concert, it's not super annoying to everyone else around you. So watches can get expensive, like really expensive. Like, why would you ever spend that amount of money on a watch expensive? So finding a high quality one under that $500 mark is going to be a pretty tough thing to do. But that's where the D4 comes in. At just $449, this is a watch you can invest in without having to sell off your firstborn. So you might be thinking, the D4 watch has a lot of really cool features, but I'm a little skeptical that it's going to work as well as you say it's going to. Well, lucky for you, Vaer offers a 2-year limited warranty on all of their watches, so any issues due to normal use defects will be repaired at no cost. If American manufacturing and independent craftsmanship is important to you, then Vaer should be top of your list when it comes to choosing which watch company to buy from. They are currently the largest independent watch assembler in the US, and they're on a mission to restore American watchmaking to its former glory. And lastly, one other reason you might want to support Vaer is their commitment to protecting our wilderness as they allocate 1% of total revenue to preserving wildlife and ecosystems. It's a great cause that anyone can get behind. So that's it. 10 reasons why I'm excited to be adding this watch to my everyday carry. But what do you think of this watch and the Vaer brand? Let me know in the comments below. And also, if you do want to make a purchase, be sure to use my link in the description. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's what's on my turntable this week.